Hey guys, I'm Jordan. Today's the 3rd day of July. Tomorrow's the 4th of July. This is an everyday video. It's going on YouTube, but the YouTube red. And I heard some sound that's going on. Yeah, I'm at my uncle's house having a barbecue on the 3rd of July. And tomorrow's the 4th of July. Hear my family over there talking with this. Oh, holy crap. So I can show this right now. This is the firework we're talking about. That means on the 3rd of July, but why they did it. Yep. Hey guys, my feet is hurt, so I'm not expect that to do that. But right now, I'm talking about the fireworks going on in the 3rd of July. But yeah. Okay, guys, be right back. I'm going to the top. Okay guys, I'm at the top of the stair, and my phone is 66%. So I'll be right back, guys. Thank you. Listen. Over here. So I'll be right back, guys. Happy 3rd of July. More fireworks comes to you and in your way.